Hi. I'm Marcus.
Hi.
I lost my number. Can I have your number?
Does that line ever work?
No, I've never tried it on any girl. You know, you're the first person that I'm trying it on, so.
You're funny.
I know. Maybe we can go on a date. I can show you how funny I am.
No, thank you.
Oh, come on, come on. Maybe you can give me an Instagram name or something like that. Come on. Don't be like that.
Okay.
And we get to know each other, you know.
Okay. Bye.
I'll hit you up, right?
Bye.
Bye.
Take a picture.
Okay, baby.
Yo, my boyfriend.
Yo, my baby, my baby, my baby.
Yeah.
God, that's beautiful.
Okay. Let me post this on Instagram.
No, baby, don't post this on Instagram. I
Why?
want everything to be private. Like, I don't want any witch to be looking into our stuff, you know. There is like evil eye and evil tongue, you know. I don't want anyone to look into our stuff, yeah? Should be private, okay?
Snapchat?
No, baby, let's make it private. Believe me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I love
Me too. Okay, that's great. You love me? This better be a joke. This better be a joke. Are you kidding me? What's your problem? Betty, what are you doing here? I'm here with my boyfriend. You better stay here.
Come on, hey, no.
Baby. What's your fucking problem? You are sitting here with my man asking me what my problem is? You must be crazy. Your man. Are you stupid? You know, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. What are you doing? I thought you're my friend. Your what friend? This is my boyfriend. What's your fucking problem? Don't touch me. What are you doing here with my friend? Are you Don't make me get angry here right now. Oh my god. You're so lucky.
I'm highly disappointed in you guys. I mean, what's the meaning of that? We guys have been friends since kindergarten. So why would you allow a man to come between this friendship? Hello? I'm talking to you.
She started.
Me?
You started.
You stole my boyfriend. You stole my boyfriend.
How dare you cheat
Shut
with my man?
up!
How dare you?
Are you dumb? You stole my
had the
boyfriend.
audacity to cheat with my man? You are crazy.
Your
You
man.
are crazy. You know it's my man.
My
You are
boyfriend.
crazy.
You stole my boyfriend.
You call yourself a friend?
Okay. So do you really think a man who is in love with any one of you would bring you into this situation?
I think she doesn't understand that he loves me.
Really?
She doesn't understand that he loves me.
Loves
It
you.
is pure jealousy. That is why she shouldn't cheat. I don't understand this.
And who's this guy anyway? Because I can't remember you ever telling me having a boyfriend.
Look at my boyfriend.
Wish.
Him?
You wish.
Is it him? He?
Yes, it is.
My boyfriend. I'm his queen.
I lost my number. Can I have your number?
Does that line ever work?
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's my boyfriend.
Are you okay?
Oh, okay.
Thanks.
You wish you were.
Well, okay. Well,
Is everything okay?
Okay, but I think that you really should try to solve this issue.
I don't have any time for all this. No.
Fake
I don't have
friends.
time for this. She calls herself a friend. She's supposed to be my friend. And as she said, we know ourselves since kindergarten. And she has the audacity to cheat with my man.
Your
I'm
man.
crazy.
Okay,
I'm crazy.
going. Okay.
You better leave. Nobody needs you here.
So, do you really think? Bye, Betty.
Go.
Yes.
I don't even know why we are here in the first place. Like, this is bullshit.
This is
So,
really bullshit.
Do you really think our friendship is worth this? What you guys are doing?
She destroyed our friendship. And if that's what you want, I don't have time for fake friends. I really don't have time for this. To be honest, I am out of here.
I mean, wait, let's talk about
this is
Jessica.
No.
Jessica.
Really? But I mean, it's the same guy who proposed to me this morning. Or maybe they're twins. Or maybe not. But what if he really loves me? Say be a million, maybe a million by worry me. Come in. You're welcome.
Oh, thank you very much.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
I just wanted to know why you wanted to get to know me better and come and see me.
Yeah, I think you're a very beautiful lady, and I'm a king. I've been looking for a queen my whole life. As I saw you, I was like, wow, you beautiful, you gorgeous, you're fantastic. It's like, I felt this vibe, That's why I took your number. Like, whenever that I see you, it's like I get butterflies in my stomach,
Okay, wow, well, I'm flattered and thank you.
You're welcome.
But I'm just not really sure because I heard that you had an incident with Betty and Jessica.
Betty and Jessica? I don't even know those two. Oh, I don't know them. I don't know them.
Are you sure?
Who are those girls?
They were fighting over you, saying you were their boyfriend.
No, I don't know them.
You don't know Betty and Jessica?
No, never. I've never come across them.
You don't know them. Marcos. You don't know them. Marcos.
I don't know you guys.
You don't know us.
Like, who are you guys? Like,
Are you down?
No.
Are you kidding me right now? Marcos. You don't know us? Are you mad? You don't know us? Marcos.
Girls.
What nonsense are you talking here? Marcos.
Take your time.
I see.
Take your time.
I see.
Jesus.
I see.
Oh my God.
I see. You don't know us, right?
I don't know you guys.
me.
No. I think you guys want me. That's why you guys are doing this. You guys want me.
Yeah, you want me.
So why don't you listen to me?
Listen to
Do
me.
you know what?
Just take your leave. Go. Just
Oh, come on.
go. Get up and go. Leave.
That's not the right way.
He's still sitting here.
Go!
Nonsense. Goodness. Nonsense. Have you seen what I've been trying to tell you? Girls, we have been friends since kindergarten. We shouldn't allow any man to come between this friendship. Betty. Jessica, I love both of you. You really need to quit this issue. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. It's over. You sure?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Oh.